Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here and if you like content related to technology and education, please subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to have a quick look at the Urban Armor Gear case for iPad Pro 2018, the 11-inch model. Let's quickly unbox this case, and in the meanwhile, we can talk about it a little. UAG claims military-grade protection for your iPad with this case. I'm not going to do a drop test or durability test to prove you that, as this is my personal iPad and not a review unit. Taking this case out, my immediate thought was that it was almost the weight of the iPad itself. I do like the material they used. I thought they might have a hard TPU material on the rear side, but I'm surprised to know that it's the same rubber-like material all around. And the texture adds a superb grip to hold the device. Let us insert the iPad into the case. A quick note here, this is not a magnetic case, so it has to be of the absolute right size to fit your iPad perfectly. And after installing, I should say it does fit the iPad perfectly. The cutouts are very precise. The speaker holes does not lead to any audio distortion. The buttons and ports are very easily accessible. I'm not a fan of the raised pad they gave over the power button though, as it requires a hard press on it now to register a click. This case is compatible with the new second generation Apple Pencil. It has a holder to store the pencil safe while allowing it to charge wirelessly from the iPad. Although UAG deserves credit for allowing this and still providing good protection, they could not make the case compatible with your Smart Folio keyboards. case supports multiple viewing angles. The material that is used inside provides good friction to hold the iPad at different angles. Be careful while you place it at a very inclined position towards the edge of the case though. We installed a tempered glass on the device to see if the edges of the case would lift the glass off, making it not compatible with any screen protectors. But again, we were happy to know that no such issues were noticed and there was no indication of touch issue due to reduced sensitivity because of the screen protector. Our final thoughts on the case: it's an excellent product of extremely good quality and we definitely recommend it for the iPad Pro. That is if you don't have the Apple Smart Folio keyboard.